Colorado is not home to extremely powerful tornadoes, but today we're going to be looking at the three most powerful Colorado tornadoes that were caught on camera. Number 3 on the list is an EF2 tornado that touched down near Ray, Colorado on May 7th, 2016. The reason I chose this tornado was because it has 43 million views on YouTube, and it is one of the most insane tornado videos ever to this day. Number 2 on this list is an EF3 tornado that touched down on June 4th, 2015. This tornado did actually a lot of damage and was measured at an EF3 rating on the Fujita scale. This tornado had wind speeds from 136 to 165 miles an hour. And finally, the most powerful tornado in Colorado's history happened on May 22nd, 2008 in Windsor, Colorado. It was a mile-wide wedge tornado, and winds were going from 136 to 165 miles an hour. This tornado ripped right through Windsor, destroying the most buildings a Colorado tornado has ever destroyed, making it the costliest tornado Colorado has ever had. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.